banana, ice. Baby, you can really be the one. Baby, you can really be the one. Yeah, be the one. Yeah, yeah, be the one. Yeah. Baby, you can really be the one. Baby, you can really be the one. Yeah, be the one. Yeah, yeah, be the one. Yeah. What your friends say? Brand new day. Girl, you might be the.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. And if you are new, we have been waiting for you. It's your girl Abby Sabrina here, and today I'm going to be doing my face routine, like how I clean my face and all that, but also unboxing of my Curlbible. Like, yeah, I'm so happy right now. Like, hold on. But no, seriously, I'm literally so freaking happy. Like, I've been waiting for this. Like, I just ordered it like 2 days ago, and it came yesterday. Like, even when it came, I was like really excited to open it, but I was like, oh, I'm gonna wait to show y'all so I can show y'all what's inside or whatever. So I'm really happy. I'm gonna show y'all my skin routine or whatever, because a lot of people been asking me, like, they've been telling me that my skin is glowing and stuff. I'll be like, thank you, like, that means so much. But yeah, they've been asking me, oh, what I use and all this stuff and what I do and all this. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do and how this is how I get my face now. But also I'm gonna be showing you guys what I ordered or what I got, okay? Because I'm going to be adding some stuff that I bought from here into my face routine. So I'm gonna show like if it makes a difference. My skin is great, but it's not perfect. Like, I still have my, you know, the little dry spots when I wash my face and stuff, and I hate that like so much. But that's how the box looks. I'm opening it right now. Ooh. Oh, bitch, y'all can't see. Hold on. Look, she has a picture. Look. Okay. She has a little card in it with her picture on the back. Dana Chanel, I love her, yo. Like, she has a little note on it too. It says, "Hey love, we may have just met, but wanted to personally say thank you. You have no idea what it means every time you support a woman with a dream. With that being said, I'm here to tell you, don't let anything or anyone touch your dreams." That's so touching. God put something in you that only you can bring to life. Never let procrastination or lack of resources destroy your faith. Girl, you were built for this. Period. Diamond, the Curlbible app. So, oh, I said diamond.
Stupid.
I said diamond. Yo, don't judge me. Download the Curlbible app so we can stay connected. XOXO. Dana Chanel. It all came all bubble wrapped and stuff. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to open this neat because I want to pop the bubble wrap. Yes, I'm childish. I don't care. Anytime I order something and it comes in bubble wrap, I literally get so excited because, like, ooh. Okay, so I got the True Balance Bloom Healthy Hair Oil. I'm also gonna be doing her, I think it's 21 days hair growth challenge. So I bought this True Balance Bloom Healthy Hair Oil. I ordered that. And then I also ordered this Luscious Body Butter. The Beauty Balm. It's cucumber melon. That's what this one is. Okay, yeah. Haven't opened it. Ooh. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. I can't wait to use that. Ooh, that smells good. That smells real good. All right, and then I also got another one of the hair oil. It's hair tonic. This one is hair tonic. This one was healthy hair oil, and then this one is hair tonic. And it matches this one, and it's so cute. That's why I got it, because it matches it. It was like I was like, it's so cute. But yeah, this. I wonder how it smells. It smells like oil. I mean, it's oil, so that's what it would smell like. And then for my face, I got this. This is a guava seed elixir. So like I'll be adding it to my face. Like after I do my regular face routine and wash my face and stuff, I'll be adding this to my face routine to see if I can like help with the dryness that I have. Cause like in my T-zone area and then like right here in my nose, don't like me once I wash my face be dry. Like, let me look at Ash. But yeah, I'm so like ready to try it. Like they're all so like y'all understand how long I've been waiting for this. Like
Hands on the now you been served. I like a dude with a little bit of curve. Hit this poop with an uppercut. Call it Captain Hook.
Alright, I'm done. I still have one more, but I'm gonna save that for later. But yeah, I'm like really excited to try these. Like, oh my god. And then the ingredients are all natural. So this one, the hair tonic oil, it has coconut oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, eucalyptus oil, lemon oil, and aloe vera juice. Hair gonna be growing wild and crazy, baby. Wild and crazy. Okay, for this one, this has a bunch of words I can't say. Like, no, for real. But it does have some things that are the same. Like, some things that are the same in this one, but it also has extra things. Like, this one has apricot kernel oil, bamboo oil, rosemary oil, emu oil, pumpkin seed oil. I ain't never heard of pumpkin seed oil, but jojoba, I think that's jojoba oil. I think that's what it is. Castor seed oil, and a whole bunch of other words that I can't pronounce. That's what it has. It's best to use both or find what you think is better for you, but it's best to do two more than one because this one has things that this doesn't, and then this has things that this doesn't. So they both help, and they both work better together. It makes sense if y'all got that. But we're gonna move on to trying this. Okay, so to start off my face routine. Ooh, my hair. Probably gonna have to put my hair up, but before I do that, I wipe my face with makeup wipes. This is from Neutrogena. Once I do that, then I go in and I wash my face using my face brush. This one I got from Walmart. I think it was like $7. It works just like the other ones, but there's different ones depending on your budget. You know, you can. I feel like they all do the same thing, but there's brushes for like $40, $100-some. Who finna spend 150? I think it was like 150 or 140. Regardless, it was above $20, and they do the same thing a $7 one do. Granted, it only got 2 speeds, but what you need more speeds for? What you finna do? If I'm spending $100-something on a dang face brush, when I say I better look like Beyonce when I'm done, I better look like Beyonce, Rihanna, all of them mixed together. To be spending $100. Okay. Anyways, all right. So I wet it with the soap. Ooh, my hand, and do all this. My hands are like this. And then I don't wet my face before I do it. I don't want my face to be wet before, because then it starts being runny and So I rub it in.
To put my hair up because it was just super perfect. So then I wet my brush with the warm water, and then I go over the soap with it. It's a weird process. That's just what I do. I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but that's the shenanigans run. It's your problem, nobody solve it. I do the brush because it gets off the dead skin off my hairs, especially like where my dry skin be. Like right above my eyebrow, my forehead right here, and then my nose. Oh my gosh. My nose just despises me so much for no reason at all. I do this for a good, I'm gonna say, 2 minutes.
Okay, so I wash my face off. And then I use paper towel to dry my face. Now, you're supposed to do this. I don't want to waste it, so I'm waiting until it stops dripping. I said 3, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. But she said 4 to clean hands and to clean face, and then you just rub it in.
Shake your bam 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 bam. Rolling, rolling, my body it's rolling.
Wow. See, now my face is like moisturized, but it doesn't look glossy and like, you know, too much oil. And that's it. Just use this. But it's supposed to last until November. It is March. It's the last day of March, y'all. But we still got 1 more month in the house. You know what? People that's still going outside, y'all can consider it. And then y'all be surprised when if y'all outside past curfew and y'all getting arrested and stuff. Like, they said it's a crime. If you outside past curfew, it's a $1,000 fine and you go to jail. But then y'all still be out here trying to have your little get-togethers past 11 o'clock. Take it behind the bed. Take it behind in the house. Stay at your house. Okay. So, this is the finished product of using this. And I will say, you gotta look good. Gloss it all natural out. Shout out to my cousin for slaying my hair, cause baby, yeah, I really do love my hair though. But yes, this is great. I already love it. Like, seriously, look at my face. Look at my face. I'm just like glowing naturally, and it's just like, oh, like y'all understand how happy I am. But yes, everything that I have right now will be in the description box down below, so you guys can go get it yourself if y'all don't be glowing for this summer and also growing your hair out for this summer. Just find what works for you, honestly. I haven't tried everything else yet, but I will give you guys an updated version once I've tried everything and tell you guys how I like it. But as of right now, I do love this. This is the Wild Seed Elixir. I do love it, because look at my face. That's natural beauty, baby.
You don't gotta be perfect
at all. But I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Then tell your friends to tell their friends to tell their friends to come on over and do the same thing. Okay? You guys can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Abby Sabrina. You can also add me on Snapchat at that's the letter I, the letter M, dash Sabrina. Make sure you replace the apostrophe because it is not in it. And yes, autocorrect will change it. Okay? Make sure you guys do that. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much.